If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
This is a heroes organization.
Okay.
We are Cosmetic giants.
Okay.
Southeast. Perfumes, body lotions and creams. We are the beautiful people that beautifies people.
Okay.
We will give you the best, best products and best prices.
Okay.
We are really the best.
How can you be located? How can you be located?
Distribution. We have our offices at number 6 Kano Street
Okay.
and number 2 New Market Road, opposite the White House.
Okay. Okay.
We
That's
have other branches at Relief Market and Ochanga.
Okay. So intimate us on some of the products you have, like their values and all of that. Intimate us a little bit on some of the products you have. Sir.
Yeah. I don't know the type of value I say.
Okay.
We have quality products.
Okay.
Lotions, ready to see. We have them. We have oil, soap, fresh cream, scrub, name it. Bath.
Okay.
We have them. Baby lotion, adult lotion,
Okay.
perfumes, a whole range of cosmetics.
Okay.
It's a full cosmetics.
So, okay, both when it comes to perfumes, let's break down some of the products that you have when it comes to perfumes. Okay.
They have 212,
Okay.
Aqua di Palma, Mascara, Miyake,
Okay.
Love perfume. They
All
are
of
there.
that. Okay. No
There
problem.
are too many to mention.
Okay. So your phone numbers, if one wants to get you.
080
Okay.
332 654 92.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's just it. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
OG shit. I pledge to be the only homie telling stories so me know when I mean you where they mess that can mess where they make us fast. Just prepare to get it hot. Anybody where they up, see my brain just the boss with my anger in to table or for where you don't have for office step I go use table I go use pepper clean up. Somebody got the pick of the ish. How you go manage to clean up? You know, she say you did too much, do and we rush, we get the such the person dodge for that natural. You know, MTL, the bomb, Martin Ifeanyichukwu Gregory here, Ezanumba the First. Now we blaze. Get it on, blaze it on.
Rise up for this classic. Yeah, climbing up, it is dope.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from, and in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
bụ ndị